Hey guys, welcome back to Tracie's Place. I am making another cooking video for you. I am doing stewed tomatoes and sausage. This is such a good recipe. I had to share it with you. So in the recipe, you will be using rice, and I have some minute rice right here. Also some turkey smoked sausage, red and green bell pepper, red onion, turkey bacon. We have some corn here. Also some pasta sauce, and I have Hunt's, and then diced tomatoes. You can use honey or sugar, whichever one you like. So we're going to go ahead and get started. I make my rice. I don't make it on top of the stove. I microwave my rice, and I'll try to leave that video at the end of this video. It's very easy. I haven't went back to making rice on the stove yet because it was so hard for me. So I use the microwave method, and it comes out perfect every time. So we're going to go ahead and get started. Okay, I have my rice going in the microwave. I'm going to go ahead and let you know I'm going to use garlic. You do not have to use this. That's one reason why I didn't put it in the initial steps with the ingredients, but I have a half a bulb of garlic because I've used just about half of it already. But I'm going to put garlic in mine because I love the taste of garlic. If you don't like garlic, leave it out. I'm going to go ahead and get started. I'll show you some, but I'm going to cut up the vegetables and the sausage right now. I won't show every agonizing step because it's very easy and I don't want to make the video too long. So here we go. Right here I'm taking about half of a large red onion, and I'm just going to go ahead and slice it up. Remember to take the outer peel off before you slice, and you can dice it to any size you'd like. After getting it all finished, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put it into a bowl that I have reserved for the veggies. Here I'm taking this beautiful green bell pepper and basically just kind of gutted it and took out all the seeds and the extra meat from the inside. Oh, and don't forget to have a garbage bag waiting or a garbage bowl. That way you can put everything in there that you don't need, that's trash, and it won't smell up your garbage. So go ahead and slice up the green bell pepper. It can be as small or as large chunks as you like. And here I am finished getting it all chopped up, and I'm going to put it into the veggie bowl. Here we are with the red pepper. I have it sliced basically in half, and I've gutted it as well, took out all the seeds and the inside meats, and I'm going to go ahead and start slicing it up. Now you can slice it just like I said before. You can slice it, dice it, any way you like to do it. It's your preference, it's your meal. So what I'm going to do now is go ahead and take the red pepper and put it into the veggie bowl. And to add a little smokiness to the dish, I'm adding turkey bacon. Yes, you can add real bacon if you want, pork bacon rather, but in my household we use turkey because my husband does not eat beef or pork. So I'm using turkey bacon here along with the turkey smoked sausage. So this gives it a nice smokiness, and like with the veggies, you can slice it, dice it, make it any size you'd like. Here we have the turkey smoked sausage, and I'm going to use a whole pack of that, and I'm just going to slice it down the middle and get it all the way to the end. Once you have it sliced all the way down the middle, you want to turn it sideways, and you're going to go ahead and just cut chunks or basically dice it up. That way each piece that you cut is actually going to be in 2 pieces, and you'll have more chunks inside of your dish. You can use 2 packs of meat if you would like, just as much or whatever amount of meat you would like in your dish. So I'm going to take the second piece of the turkey smoked sausage and do it the same way. Cut it lengthwise and then turn it sideways and get it finished. here's everything all chopped up. What we're going to do is add the tomato, the pasta sauce rather, into a saucepan. And also the diced tomatoes in with that. You can have as much or as little as the sauce as you want. You could do 2 cans of this, just depending on how many of the sausage that you're making. I'm just going to use 1 pasta sauce, and I'm going to use, I possibly may add another diced tomato, I'm not sure, but for now I'm just going to put in 1. If I add an extra one, I'll let you know. And in a skillet I had preheating with oil. You want to go ahead and add your smoked sausage and get them coated with the oil. You can use vegetable oil or olive oil for this step because you're just browning the sausage. I did a mix of both. So go ahead and get everything coated, and we're going to get that all caramelized and ready. Here we have sugar, and I'm just going to do about 2 tablespoons. You can use as much or as little as you want, but every good Southern cook uses some sugar in most of her dishes. That's where the savoriness comes in. Now, you can use honey if you'd like. If you don't want to use sugar, you can certainly use honey. Here we have some sweet corn. We're going to add that into the dish for texture and a little bit more sweetness. You do need sweet as well as seasonings in this dish because you have to cut through that acidy tomato taste. And it makes it so good. All right, over here we have the sausage is browning, getting caramelized. We have all those bits in the pan too. We're going to add some sea salt. Then we're going to add some black pepper to the sausage and get it all stirred up. And right here I added that good turkey bacon, smoky turkey bacon. So we're going to get that all stirred up and caramelized with the turkey smoked sausage. It makes it so good. In the same pan, just add a little bit more oil. You're going to go ahead and add those veggies in there. You can add it to the same pot you did the turkey smoked sausage in because you want that flavor also a little bit into the veggies. So just add it right in the same pan. So we're going to go ahead and get it stirred up. To this, we're going to add some sea salt. We're also going to add some black pepper. Here comes the Italian seasonings, garlic powder, and a little bit of Lawry's, but season it to your taste. And yes, we're adding in the real garlic right here, just 1 clove. So the peppers are ready. After I put the pepper blend in with the onion and garlic, I covered it. I forgot to show you that. I'm so sorry, but I covered it so that they could steam and so that they could soften. So once they got softened to the tenderness that I wanted them, I put the smoked sausage in. Okay, so I put the smoked sausage in. I left some smoked sausage out because Isaiah sometimes is funny about peppers and onions and doesn't always want them, in his dish. So I left him some sausage out, and he could have the sauce with the corn in it, the sausage, and rice if he doesn't want the peppers. So this is how it's looking. Got it all blended in together so the flavors are all going to be in together, the sausage and the veggies, and I'm going to show you. So that's Isaiah's sausage in a bowl. And here is the microwave rice. And here is the sauce, the tomato sauce over here with the chunks of tomato and the pasta sauce and the corn. And that was sweet corn. And as you know, I put sugar in it. You can put honey in it also, or just honey or just sugar, whichever you prefer. And here it is, all delicious, and oh my goodness, bon appetit, you all. I cannot wait to get another taste of this. Get some veggies up on there. Ooh, look at the red one. Yes. That's good. That's really good. Hope you all enjoy it.